Hi, I'm Vincenzo Racca, author of Spring Boot 3 API Mastery. Today, microservices are everywhere, and knowing how to build secure, scalable, and efficient APIs is essential. In this book, I show you how to do just that with Spring Boot 3. We'll start with synchronous APIs, covering REST, gRPC, and even GraphQL. Then, move to asynchronous, broker-agnostic APIs using Spring Cloud Stream. I also walk you through securing APIs using OpenID Connect, Ouch2, and Spring Security. And finally, how to deploy them on Kubernetes, even locally, using Kind. If you're working with microservices in Java, this book is for you. Discover Spring Boot 3 API Mastery.